Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with my Persevere by Illustrated Faith Bible Journaling Kit. This was I purchased this last year sometime. I believe I did a journal haul number 3, I think it was, that I did this and that I showed everything that came in the package. If you want to go back and look at it. This is what I've done so far with the kit. It comes with these packages. Of course, you have to write down your thoughts, your prayers. Let's do a quick flip through. I am doing week 3 today. It's what I'm going to do, what I'm going to plan on doing. Hopefully I don't get distracted or turned away or any of that stuff, right? So far, this is everything I got from... This was week 2. If you can... I washi tape this so I'm able to flip it, see it, turn it back around. This was the study that I did. This was week 2. And it's scattered everywhere from like January all the way, January all the way till today. And we're in April. So I did other things in between. I didn't stick to just doing this one journaling kit. I mean, I can't stick to one thing for a very long time. I get bored. So then I end up not doing it. So today we're doing week 3. It says losing life, Luke 9:23. So you flip it over, you have your content. I only use King James Version of the Bible, so I'm gonna go look for Luke 9:23. And I'm gonna read it for you guys. Everything that I buy, I don't mind what kind of version of the Bible they use, because I always go back to my own Bible. So Luke 9:23 says, and he said to them, if any man will come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross daily and follow me. So, I like that verse. I put the Bible next to us. Since this is week 3, I am going to put this here somewhere so I can look back. I will pin it with which one? I don't know. I think I used the wrong one for the other one. What are you? I think you're for that one, but I'll use that one so we can use this one. I'll use, so this package comes with stickers and clear stamps. It comes with little tip-ins for that you can use. I suggest you go back to the haul I did for it so you can see everything it has. I went into detail on that one. So if you want to know more of what's in it, then I suggest you go ahead and go back to that haul that I did so you can see more detail what's in it. I am gonna put today's date in here somewhere. I have my first line and my date stamper. Today is April 12. Nope, 11. Today's April 11, I think. Nope, April 12. People, I am sick. Sorry. April 12. I am going to stamp this a couple of times till the ink runs out. There you go. I got this at Wish, people, for $1 and $1 for shipping. And it came with a little kit, with a little stand-up thing. Just an FYI. I was not about to pay more moolah for it. Alright, so with my pencil, I am going to, if I can find my pencil, where is my pencil? Where's my pencil? Mark on where I'm gonna put this so I can know. Oh, wait, no. And here and here, right? So I can have an average view of where this thing is going. I haven't used my watercolors from TOMBOW, so I am gonna use those. I have them here. I do see that it has pink, so all I'm gonna do is try to bring this back to life. Usually it dries out, but it comes back very quickly. These are TOMBOW's dual brushes, and this is just a regular palette, and then I just squeeze it on there and call it a day. And I can do this with it. My Versa ink that I stamped on, once it's dry, I can go over it because it is waterproof. I made sure of that. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit before I go crazy. Then I want to bring some of this pink over. Just doing something to give it some color. This is the same color, I hope. Pink. Needs more water. And this is more of watercolor. Do have all kinds of other watercolors, but it seems to be easier to just deal with this or pencils, is what I have learned throughout the years. That it works easier and faster than all the other stuff. Now that I think my thing is dry, there we go. See, it is waterproof. I wasn't lying. Trying to grab one pink. I have water on the side. I don't have enough space. Oh wait, maybe I do. Hold on, let's see. Maybe I can show you more. There we go. But I still don't have enough space. I want you guys to focus more on the study than my space. More to say, right? Now in here, I want to go ahead and write today's date. Put my brush down. No, I already did today's date. Sorry. So the study says, after college, I got married and had a son. Still, I wandered in the wilderness in an attempt to escape my mom. She followed me everywhere, and pain always accompanied her. In October of 1986, I was hit 3 times. My mother died of cancer, my son turned 2, and my marriage dissolved. All in 1 month. Really, God? How am I supposed to go on? On the 21st of October, when my world seemed like it was crashing down, I finally let go. I went to the cross. I asked Christ to mold me, to help my unbelief, to renew my mind and heal my spirit. Wait on me was all I could hear. Take up your cross and follow me. I realized I could never truly follow Jesus unless I had faced the junk in my heart. These times of testing can be most precious as we wait to see his promises fulfilled. And then it has 3 questions that you can ask yourself. I won't go too detailed on it because then, giving you too much information. But to the story, I actually relate to it. Wow. So I will I am going to erase the marks that I did with my pencil. I want to put the verse in here, and I am going to do that with, what colors do we have here? Should we use purple? Could use purple. So it was Luke 9:23. So I'm gonna go here with my Tombow. I'm getting another Tombow brush since I am doing purple, and I am gonna write Luke 9:23 because I want to be able to read the verse every time I ask myself the questions. It seems to be a little easier to have it next to me every time I want to answer the questions. Usually I do this for a couple of weeks, answer the questions, and then I'll hit another week or so on another different study, because if not, I'll get bored. Says, and he said to them all, but I'm not gonna write that. Well, maybe I should. Maybe I should. Alright, let's see. It's too gray. So I should. Something tells me I should. And he said to them all. Right? Hope you can see that. Leave this here just in case I need it. If any men will come after me. So, if any man will come after me, then I have another paper mate. Let him deny himself and I got this color and take up his cross daily and and follow me. And follow me. I think that came out pretty cool. So try, yes. So now I'm going to take the card. Where's the card? I have the card. Taking this card and I'm going to flip it because I need to see the questions. And I'm going to put that right here with the washi tape. The kit comes with a washi tape. So I'm gonna use the same washi tape and put 2 little washi tapes right here, which is pray, prepare. This is all from the kit. It's all about prepare, pray, and plant your feet. So I can flip it over whenever I need to see the verse, and I can flip it back for when I need to see the questions. Let's see, do we have, oh, I have more stickies that I can use. So I'm gonna, is this one? Oh, I can use this one. And I want the little arrow to point to show that I do have something underneath there. I can write scripture that way. And I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you have any questions about this. Let me know. I will put the website below. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless. I hope you enjoyed.